Hey there! Welcome back to the Nauctis on YouTube. Roro ships have become a vital transportation tool in the global shipping industry. With them, millions of cars are shipped around the world every year. Marking a new era in car carrier transportation, sailing embodies a perfect symbiosis between advanced technology and sustainability. Breaking ancient boundaries, some Roro ships come with wind power innovations, reducing the carbon footprint without sacrificing efficiency or speed, using LNG fuel, integrating futuristic sail designs, and even bringing a revolution in autonomous navigation technology, promising faster and safer cargo deliveries. Let's explore the most advanced innovations in Roro ships today. The Canopée ship is a French cargo vessel that stands as the first merchant ship to be powered by sails. Construction of the ship began in 2019, and it was launched in the year 2022. It has been specially designed to transport Ariane's 6 rocket elements from European ports to the Guyana Space Center in Kourou, South America. The vessel successfully completed its maiden voyage across the Atlantic in December 2022. This ship is equipped with 4 movable wings, each spanning an area of 363 square meters. These wings are referred to as ocean wings and were manufactured by ASKO in Cannes, France. Utilizing wind power can lessen carbon footprint, dependent on weather conditions, and is seen as a trailblazer in the transition of energy from maritime transportation. The ship is owned by Gifmar Guyane, conceived by VPLP Design, and constructed at the Szczecin shipyard in Poland and by Neptune Marine in the Netherlands. With an overall length of 121 meters, a width of 23 meters, and a maximum draft of 6.5 meters, the ship has a cargo capacity of around 3,000 tons and can transport up to 6 Ariane 6 rocket elements in a single journey. Furthermore, the ship is also equipped with an electric diesel engine that can serve as a backup in instances where the wind is not strong enough or if the wind direction is not favorable. He ship's maximum speed stands at 16 knots with wind power and 12 knots using engine power. Sea Road is a Roro cargo ship that was built in 2016 and flies the Australian flag. The ship has a length of 182 meters, a width of 30 meters, and a deadweight of 8,292 tons. It features 3 decks and 2 ramps, providing a total of 1,960 meters of floor space for movable cargo. Moreover, it is the first coastal vessel in Australia to utilize clean and green LNG fuel and power technology, and it stands as the first pure dry cargo ship in the world to employ a roll-on roll-off LNG supply system. Operating between Melbourne and Devonport, it connects Tasmania with the mainland and the world. The vessel represents an investment of over $110 million towards Tasmania's future and its connectivity. The Swedish company Wallenius Marine, known for their expertise in Roro ships, has introduced the Oceanbird Concept, representing hope for a sustainable future in maritime logistics. This wind-powered cargo ship operates with 4 large wing sails, using wind energy to cut fuel use and emissions by up to 90%. Made of steel and composite materials, these sails, which resemble airplane wings, have the ability to rotate 360 degrees and tilt to adjust to changing wind patterns and avoid obstacles. Moreover, these sails can be retracted, making the entry into ports and bridges smooth. Beyond its innovation, the Oceanbird Concept stands as a feasible and scalable solution, adaptable to various ship types and can be incorporated into existing ships. The first ship, planned to hold up to 7,000 cars, is set to be a 200-meter long Roro vessel, perfect for crossing transatlantic routes with strong and steady winds. While using only a small portion of conventional fuel and releasing far less carbon dioxide, the Oceanbird ship maintains an average speed of 10 knots, comparable to current Roro ships, assisted by an auxiliary engine for harbour manoeuvres and emergency power. This groundbreaking initiative is a collaborative effort involving Wallenius Marine, the KTH Royal Institute of Technology, and SSPA, a Swedish maritime technology entity financially supported by the Swedish Transport Agency. Started in 2019, this initiative has evolved through design, simulation, and optimization phases, gaining international recognition and media spotlight for its transformative potential in the shipping sector. A significant step was the 2021 alliance with heavy industry company Alfa Laval, focusing on advancing the wing sail technology. The commercial launch of the Oceanbird Concept is anticipated in 2026, with Wallenius Wilhelmsen, a frontrunner in Roro shipping, expressing an intention in February 2021 to order an Orcelle Wind, a ship reflecting the Oceanbird philosophy. This announcement marks a crucial moment, showcasing the growing market appetite and support for wind-powered ships. Emphasizing a commitment to a zero-emission target by 2050, Wallenius Wilhelmsen acknowledges the alignment of the Oceanbird concept with their broader vision and strategy. The Wallenius Sol Ice Class 1, a super Conro vessel, is a special Roro ship designed to transport container cargo, Roro and Storo, in areas with tough ice conditions. This vessel is the largest ice-rated Roro in the world in terms of cargo capacity and gas tank volume. It also has a high environmental performance and can operate with multi-fuel sources, including LNG. Built by CIMC Raffles Shipyard in China in 2022, this one, a super-class ship, is 242 meters long, 35.2 meters wide, and has a maximum draft of 8.8 meters with a dead weight of 28,000 tons, a gross tonnage of 59,821 tons, and a net tonnage of 17,946 tons. The ship has a ballast water capacity of 13,856 cubic meters, LNG fuel capacity of 1,603 cubic meters, and marine gas oil fuel capacity of 1,082 cubic meters. This one, a super-class ship, is equipped with two main WindG 7 RT Flex 50DF LNG and MGO engines, each with a power of 9,900 kilowatts. It also has two auxiliary MAN 9 AL28/32DF engines, each generating 1,710 kilowatts electric, and two shaft generators, each generating 2,200 kilowatts, two controllable pitch propellers, and two bow thrusters, each with a power of 2,000 kilowatts. For the cargo deck, the 1A super-class ship has 4 cargo decks with a total lane length of 6,442 meters. The cargo deck consists of a lower hold, main deck, upper deck, and weather deck. The clear height of the cargo deck is 7.2 meters for the lower hold and main deck, and 5.2 meters for the upper deck and weather deck. The Wallenius Sol Ice Class 1A Super Conro vessel has a Finnish-Swedish one. A super ice class, meaning it can sail in areas with up to 1 meter thick ice without the aid of an icebreaker, functioning as its own icebreaker thanks to its efficient hull design. Thus, it can ensure sustainable infrastructure throughout the Bothnia Bay all year round. This ship is part of the Wallenius SOL fleet, a shipping company connecting the basic industries of Sweden and Finland with continental Europe and the UK. This ship, along with its twin, the Baltic Enabler, was named the best Roro ship of 2022 by Roro World magazine. It is the world's first wind-powered Roro ship, targeted to be operational by 2026 or 2027. It is expected to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by up to 90% compared to the current best Roro ships. The Orcelle Wind is built based on the Oceanbird Concept developed by the maritime consultant Wallenius Marine. Wallenius Wilhelmsen further developed this concept by applying extensive knowledge and experience from the Roro business into the detailed design of the ship's features, such as the cargo area, storage and operations. The Orcelle Wind embodies Wallenius Wilhelmsen's goal of sustainable logistics for a moving world and represents a significant step in the journey towards zero emissions. The next phase of this project is the construction and testing of the first ship of its kind. The specifications of the Orcelle Wind are as follows. The Orcelle Wind uses wind as the primary source of power, supplemented by an auxiliary power system capable of operating at speeds of 12 knots under sails, which can be enhanced with the auxiliary power system. It has the capacity to carry 7,000 cars along with break-bulk cargo and rolling equipment, equipped with 4 large rotating sail masts that can be adjusted according to the wind direction. It features an aerodynamic and hydrodynamic hull to reduce air and water resistance, with ship dimensions of 220 meters in length, 40 meters in width, and 105 meters in height, including the sail masts. With 4 cargo decks with a total lane length of 8,000 meters, this ship can operate with multi-fuel sources, including LNG. The Orcelle Wind is a part of the Wallenius Wilhelmsen fleet, a global shipping company providing integrated logistics solutions for the automotive, agriculture, construction, and energy industries. This ship, along with the Oceanbird Concept, received funding of €9 million from the European Union through the Horizon 2020 programme. ASKO, a Norwegian food distribution company, is in the process of developing 2 electric cargo ships that can operate autonomously. These ships will transport trucks between 2 ASKO facilities situated on opposite sides of the Oslofjord, a bay that separates the Norwegian capital from other cities. By utilizing these ships, ASKO aims to save on fuel, reduce pollution, and minimize the labor required to drive the trucks through a more circuitous route. The autonomous cargo ships are being constructed by Cochin Shipyard, a prominent shipyard in India, which won the global tender for this project. Cochin Shipyard is collaborating with Masterly, a joint venture between Kongsberg and Wilhelmsen, which provides technology and operational solutions for autonomous ships. These ships have been designed by Naval Dynamics, a Norwegian ship design company. These vessels measure 67 meters in length and have the capacity to transport 16 trucks at one time. They are powered by batteries with a capacity of 1,846 kilowatt-hours, which can be recharged automatically at each port. The ships are also equipped with automated navigation systems, proximity guidance, radar, cameras, and other sensors, allowing them to sail safely and efficiently without a crew. Moreover, they are connected to a ground control center that can monitor and control them if necessary. This project stands as one of the most innovative and ambitious undertakings in the shipping industry. The ships are expected to reduce carbon dioxide emissions by 5,000 tons per year and enhance the productivity and reliability of freight transportation. The project also illustrates the technological advancements and collaboration between India and Norway in developing the autonomous ships of the future. That wraps up today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome videos. Catch you in the next one.